Laundry, Sunday home reset, laundry and making the dust bunnies disappear. Okay, let's get busy. Hi, I'm Sharon and I'd like to welcome you to my channel and thank you very much for clicking on my video. I hope you stay and enjoy the whole video and see the dust bunnies disappear. Okay, right now we are in my laundry room. You don't see my laundry room very often, but today I am getting my sheets and stuff washed up to put on my bed so I have clean sheets. And this is the room where we're going to do a bunch of storage. So that's what all this pile is. And now I am just going to sort my laundry out so that I can keep doing it for the day. Well, I make a really good start at getting my laundry organized and stuff, but it does take me a few days to get it all organized and washed and dried and put away. In fact, I still have some on my couch that needs to be put away. It's all washed and dried, but now it needs to be folded and put away. So this is me just organizing how I like to wash my clothes. I do a dark load and a light load, and I do sheets and towels and face cloths and dish towels together. And that's how this woman does her wash. I try and put white things in or colored things in together, light things, so that they don't make, the dark things don't make things gray, which they have done before. Well, sorry about the huffing and puffing, but I am 73, so I guess at 73 I'm allowed to huff and puff a little bit. Okay, now, those flowers on my wall are actually decals or stickers I got from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm just looking to see if we have any extra laundry soap, and we don't. So I have to just do a couple of loads till hubby goes to the store and gets some more laundry soap. But that's okay. We'll get the sheets done and we'll get them put on the bed today. And there'll be a nice clean bed to go to do, a nice clean bed to get into tonight. Having trouble with my words. Okay, this load is clean and it's going to go upstairs with me, and we'll fold it and get it put away. Okay, as you saw earlier, we've got the sheets washed, and hubby and I changed them, and I decided I'm just going to use nice white sheets. They look really nice with the bedspread. So let's get the bed made. Well, I just thought I'd pop in here as I'm making my bed, and I would introduce myself. My name is Sharon, and I am 73, as I said before in the video, and I'm still managing to do most of my homemaking, and I do enjoy it. I worked all my life out of my home, outside the home, so I had to do it all on a Saturday. But now that I'm older and retired, I can just slow down and really enjoy my home and doing some decorating that I never really had a chance to do when I was younger. And I'd love to invite you to subscribe. It is free. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment so I know where you're from. Just say hi. I am from Lethbridge, Alberta. Oh, the bed's made, all nice. Now, just gonna do a little swiffering. Around the drawer, I got some laundry here to put away. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, these all need to be hung up. There we go. Okay, just gonna swiffer around a bit. Don't know if there's any cobwebs up there or not, but we'll find out. I know there's dust bunnies. But let's see. Oops. Okay, let's tidy up the dresser and put my sleep apnea machine away. And there's my mirror and my cup. For those of you who don't know, I have a basket right beside my dresser and in between my dresser and my bed, and I do store stuff in it, like my hose for my sleep apnea machine and the cord that plugs it in, and some of my nighttime medicine like arthritis, my painkillers, my cream for my arthritis, and things like that. So that's why I'm dropping things that looks like maybe I'm dropping them on the floor, but I'm not. I'm actually putting them in my basket. Dust bunny hunting, like we always do. Just move that out of the way so we can set you down here. Let's see what kind of dust bunnies we got today. Oh. Hopefully it's... Yeah, we got some dust bunnies, all right. Okay. I believe it's long enough to go all the way over there, and it is, because I can see my basket. Okay. I do like the Swiffer for this job. Just stop those dust bunnies from partying. This picks them up really good. Didn't I? Yeah, I knocked you right down. That's not good. Okay. This is nice because I have chronic fatigue. I like to find easier ways to do things some days, and some days I just don't have the energy to do a whole lot. And today was one of those days. And also we are going out later for dinner and a meeting, and I have to have some energy to go and do that. So I am hoping that this just will make it a little bit easier. That's the dust bunnies from under the bed. I'll put you back up here on the tripod. And I'm just going to go over here with my duster, and we're going to dust the floor over here. Now this isn't a deep clean by any means. It's just a dusting. But it does pick up stuff, which is nice. And I can just put it in the garbage. And I also know that the dust bunnies are gone from under my bed. And I do like that feeling. This just gets around everything. And we'll just brush it right out the door. Getting right in behind the door. Well, there it is. Picked up a lot of dust. Yes, it did. So now this can just go right in the garbage and we can get fresh ones in the garbage can in the kitchen. Kitchen's not too bad. David's in the middle of making pasta salad that we're going to take to our potluck tonight. So I'm just going to leave the kitchen alone. And we're back in the bedroom. Okay, we'll fix the skirt on the bed. There we go. A nice clean bedroom again, which is always so wonderful. That's my Sunday reset for this week. I got the bedding changed and I got the dust bunnies out from under my bed. And my bedroom is all back together again. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribed. I know there's lots of people watching, but not as many subscribing. It's free. So please join my little YouTube family. And we'll see you next week on Sunday Home Reset. Or you can come see me on Fairy Garden Thursday, which is my next video. On Thursday, of course. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.